Okay, welcome to Imra Oromo app. This channel is covers everything education, apps, technologies, tutorials, and helpful tips in any language. We create video for students, learners, and anyone who wants to grow in knowledge and skills. So please subscribe, like and share to be a part of our community. Okay, today we will see is about subtraction of fraction. So subtraction of fraction is very easy topics. Then the first one is students will be able to uh, the rules of the fraction of subtraction. So the rule of the subtraction of fraction is, for example, a over b. A is any number, b is any number. Minus means this subtraction. C over d, which means this is equals to a times d. A times d. Don't forget this one. A times d. A d, then b times c. B times what? Minus. This is minus. Then b times c. B c. Then b times d. B times d is to get is bd. So the subtraction of fraction formula is this one. For example, in numbers, for example, 2 over 5. Minus means it is subtraction. Minus is to see subtraction. If this minus is plus, they are addition of fraction. But this is minus. So this minus is to to see it is subtraction. Okay, 2 over 5 minus 7 over 3. Okay, that means 2 times 3, 2 times 3, which means equals to 6. Then this minus 1. This minus. Okay, 5 times 7. That means it's cross. 2 times 3 is 6. Minus this one. 5 times 7 is 35. Over 5 times 3, it is 15. So 6 minus 30, 6 minus 35 is which is equals to this the value of negative. So 6 minus 35 is it is minus 29 over 15. Okay, let's see the best another examples. Let's see. 2 over 1 minus 3 over 5. This to see is subtraction fraction. So the first one, is A, is A, is B, is C, is D. So AD minus BC over BD is our formula of subtraction. So A means 2, A means this 2, 2, this means this which is means 5. So 2 times 5 is 10 minus B times C. B is what? 1. C is what? 3. 1 times 3, 3. B times D. B is what? 1. D is what? 5. So 1 times 5, 5. So 10 minus 3 is equals to which? Which is equals to 7. This is 5. So 7 over 5 is our answers. Let's see another examples. Okay, this is to see subtraction of fraction, so it is very easy. So in everyone, these numbers, which is means they are always in the number, in the under the number, their denominators are 1. This is numerator, and the denominators are 1. Always the denominators are 1. This is the constant. This is its rule. So this means this number means it is 10 over 1 minus 6 over 3, they are equal. 10 minus 6 over 3 and 10 over 1 minus 6 over 3, they are equal. For example, 10. 10 which is equals to 10 over 1. 10 over 1 which means is 10. So 10 is equals to 10. 6 over 3, 6 over 3 are equal. Minus, minus. So solve this one. So cross, cross. Cross, cross. So 10 times 3 is 13 minus, is minus, okay, 1 times 60, 6 over 1 times 3, 3, 13 minus 60 is equals to 24, 24, this is 3, 24 over 3 is equals to 8. So our answer is 8. Okay, student is solve this one. It is 5 minus 9 over 3. What is the value of this one, or solve this one? If you have finished, check the answers in the first comments, and don't forget my YouTube channel is subscribe, like, and share for others students. So please, please, please subscribe. Thank you.